There are 4 different activities. My dear friends, if you follow them genuinely, definitely you can become a good communicator in English language. Friends, everybody knows that practice is the key to success. But friends, from my point of view, right practice in the right direction is the real key to success. Actually, in a language, we must follow all the rule and regulation. Friends, my name is Anu Mathur and I welcome you to my channel, Anu's English channel. I hope you all are doing great. You are fit and fine. And you must be practicing of your English speaking. I'm also fit and fine, and I'm also an English learner just like you. Actually, nowadays I'm just working upon my pronunciation because my pronunciation is not good. I think there are some words which I'm not able to pronounce in a very profound way. So I'm learning nowadays how to pronounce some speak words. And friends, I know that we cannot get perfection in one day, but one day definitely we get perfection. If we think like we have worked a lot and we have spent like 1 month and we are not getting good results, so we must keep passion in this journey because it's a journey and we are learning a language. So in this language, the more we learn, the more we get perfection. So we must keep passion, like yes. So if we are trying to gain something, so definitely we will get good result. Friends, the activities which I'm going to share with you really play very important role. How you have to do your reading practice, I'm telling you. Friends, there are many people, they think like if they practice, if they read 1 page, 2 pages, 3 pages, so they will learn English very soon. But friends, from my point of view, I'm telling you how you have to do practice. Just select only one passage, okay, and read that passage again and again. I think for 5 to 6 times until it becomes a part of your memory. Because I know that if you read something again and again, so you get perfection. And friends, not only this, you have to speak a lot. If you come across like one very particular word which you don't know, so you have to practice. You have to frame sentences, your own sentence, and you have to speak. You have to try to speak, because the more you speak, the more you get perfection. So you have to do your speaking practice. And friends, if I talk about listening activity, so listening really impacts a lot, because when we listen, we really get how to pronounce words and pitch and tone. All these things we just we achieve while listening. So while reading and listening simultaneously, we have to do our speaking practice, because friends, the more we practice, the more perfection we get. And friends, I guarantee you, if you follow these activities very honestly and very consistently, so definitely you will see the result within 15 days. Because friends, everybody knows that if you are regular, so on the basis of your regular practice, you can accomplish good result. And friends, while reading and listening, if you come across any particular new word, so you can write down, and on that particular word you can frame more and more sentences. If you frame your own sentences, if you speak your own sentences, so you will get confidence. Not only you will get confidence, but also you will get perfection. And friends, it's enough in today's video. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep smiling, and bye bye.